Okay, I am waiting for 2 students, else we will drop this class. If you are not interested, you cannot leave the class. And don't disturb others. Bye bye, take care. We will meet you tomorrow. If you don't want to take class, don't leave in between. For you, others 47 students are suffering. Okay, I will not continue. 46. 4 students missing, not joining. It's your responsibility. Who is that? Leave the class. Let me know. I will not allow him or her on any day. For next few days, I will not allow him. This is not a playground. I am wasting my time behind you. Let's start. Let's start. So, okay. So now we'll move to congruent modular relation, right? अरे my writing is very bad, huh? Very poor. Congruent modulo relation. Right? If A congruent to CONGRUENT congruent or equivalent to B when the relation is when the relation is mod n then it is denoted by A congruent to B mod n. A congruent to B mod n. Okay. तो ये हम कौन जाने example. No, that is first definition, which is almost all the students know. That is what is this? Suppose कहली ओ पापा कौन है कोड़ा लगे दे रहा पापा. Let me finish my class for this. Then we will arrange the board. Okay, is that fine? Yeah, thank you. So if A congruent to B mod n, then we can write like suppose example. Again, I am repeating that example. Okay, suppose 2 mod 3 दिया वाला, right? What is this meaning? This meaning is remainder is 2 when the relation is 3. This is equivalent to 5 mod 3, right? कहीं 3 मिसे दो बा 3 फेट दो, right? बा एटा को हम लिख परिया एमदी. This is equivalent to 5 simply 5, right? That is, it implies 5 is congruent to 2 mod 3. 5 is congruent to 2 mod 3. तार्थ कौन ये कहला जे दुईटा 5 सहित इक्विवेलेंट जेतला रिलेशन टा mod 3 कहीं जदी तार्थ एटा एठु एठी आसले हम, राइट राइट. तार्थ एटा गोटे नोट कर परिया हमें बढ़िया नोट गोटे नोट कर परिया. If A congruent to B mod n, then it implies double implication. माने एटा हले एटा हबो एटा हले एटा हबो, राइट. A congruent to B mod n, then A mod n, very, very important property, congruent to B mod n. This is property 1. जति एटा देजी तमे एटा लिख परियो, राइट. property 2 हला next property हला अच्छा 2 रु जदि मु 5 फेडी देबी बा 5 रु जदि 2 फेडीबी 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, right? Which is divisible by 3. 3 एटा 3 द्वारा divisible is divisible by 3, and this is the common definition which all the teachers and students know, but behind that this is the definition, right? Is divisible by 3. तार्थ second property कौन होला? A congruent to B mod n, if A congruent to B mod n, right? Then we can say second thing, A minus B is divisible by Kanaru. Please don't disturb me. You are my good boy, right? A minus B is divisible by n. This is second property, right? What more I can write? What more I can write? Yeah, just for now, remember these things. Next, हमें कौन कहेगा? Yeah, next property है property कौन? Analyze करिया तापरे property लिखिया. I'm moving to next page so that it will be available with me so that I can share with other students to you also. Not other students. This is for SB tutorial guys only. Okay. So, मुझे जल्दी 2 mod 3 right? ଆମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲେ 2 mod 3 right? ଏତିକି ମୁଁ କଣ ଲେଖୁଛି 2 ରେ 3 ମିଶେଇ ଦେଇ 5 ଏତିକି ଲେଖି ପାରିବି right? ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଆଖିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ମିଶେଇ ଦେବି element 3 ରେ ମିଶେଇ ଦେଲି suppose I added 3 on both sides. Okay, mod 3. Is this possible? 8 congruent to 5 mod 3. Perfect. It is possible, right? It is possible. Right? कहीं 8 को 3 रे हर 2 रिमाइंडर 2 5 को 3 रे हर रिमाइंडर 2 right? Suppose मु 7 ऐड करी 7 ऐड कले 7 5 12 congruent to 7 9 mod 3 बुझले देखो 12 को 3 रे हर 3 चौक 12 कर 12 कर 12 312 हेले रहले रिमाइंडर 0 3 3 9 रिमाइंडर 0 right? So this is third property you can say. That's हम कौन को या property 3. If A is congruent to B mod n, where n is positive, n is positive integer always. Remember, I have not told you these things. N belongs to I plus only, positive integer. Okay. Then A plus K congruent to B plus K mod n. A belongs to I. Plus minus hello? This is property 3. Right? जो कि हमें ऊपर example करेंगे. Next property हम कौन कर रहे हैं? Kana, don't disturb, don't sound here, please. Go there and play. This is classroom. I am taking classroom now. You understood? Please go. Okay. Next property 4. Don't make noise, please, Kana. Property 4 हम लिख रहे हैं. If A congruent to B mod n, right, and C congruent to D mod n, it implies say गोटे जिनस आम मिसई दे पारिया right? A plus C congruent to B plus D mod n मिसई पारिया right? सेटा कौन होइतिला एटा हमें C मिसई थिले दीपर जाक सेम क्वांटिटी मिसई थिले एटा जदी इमिति दिटा रिलेशन देछि से दिरा को हमें मिसई पारिया. Property 5 we will do good examples plenty of examples on these higher level questions also we will solve. Then you will get an idea why it is so important. That examples are not in your book. That is for IIT JEE questions. Okay. Next है A congruent to B mod n, right? यदि है and C congruent to D mod n है ताले AC congruent to BD mod n गुणी परिया. We will prove these things. We will prove how it is possible. हमने सब दिन से तो मैथ रे तो prove तो दरकार. So we will prove why, how it is possible, right? If it is, I am telling true or false, right? We can prove that, right? Property 5 गला property 6 कहला. Right? यदि A congruent to B mod n होची, right? यदि हमें C मिसे दूचे ताले भी समान होची. यदि मु C रे गुणी देवी दी पड़ता को ताले भी समान आवो. तो AC congruent to BC mod n. Don't worry, we will prove these things. Okay, this is another property, and these are properties are very important properties. Okay, so next property, यदि A congruent to B mod n है ताले तुम यदि डिग्री C नहीं जो exponent, that is also equivalent. And this is very important question. This is very important concept. Okay, we can write these things. Yeah, I hope we have covered all these properties, 7 properties. I will let you know if any new properties is there, right? Achha. I will do a simple question. If 2 to the power 47, I will prove this later, but just enjoy how these properties are helpful. Okay, see the test of these properties. I am just plugging my laptop. Hold on, guys. Charger, my battery is going down. Yeah, this is an important question for IIT JEE. Okay, for banking. Okay, you are preparing for all levels. Though you are my students, I will make you that level. Okay, so 2 to the 47. Jaddi mu question to mu janni eta question habo ki nahi, but yes, this type of question will come. Okay, question to habo nishcho korchi mane. 2 to the 47 is divisible by 3. Okay, find the remainder. Find the remainder. Okay, beautiful question. We will analyze it. Okay, so now I'm not rubbing this. I'm moving to next page. 2 to the 47 is divisible by 3, right? Find the remainder.